Hey everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On this video, I will be designing a bead stringy necklace using this adorable butterfly mother of pearl shell. And this is from the softflexcompany.com. And I will leave a link down below for the items available. They have the Czech flowers that are just great for spring and summer. I'm using the Softflex wire in medium. They have the check glass. This is 10 millimeter and these green beads on one of their live sales. And I will leave a link down below for the live sale information as well. So I went ahead and attached a 6 millimeter jump ring to the pendant. And then I'm going to cut about 22 inches of the soft wax wire. With the mother of pearl shell, it is natural, so everyone is unique. There's like a little rainbow there. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. But they're so pretty and they're really lightweight, but they're gorgeous. One of these in the exotic blooms, and that was really pretty, just a bunch of floral. So I will leave a link down below. By stringing on the pendant, and we're going to string on 2 check glass beads, one on each side. And this will just, with the green check glass, just bring out the green in the pendant. We're going to put on one of the pink beads, one on each side. And these are pink AB for Aurora Borealis. I put 2 more green beads and another pink bead on each side. Beads as little stems for my flowers. So we have 2 green beads, one on each side, and our beautiful check glass flowers. They come in so many different colors on softflexcompany.com, and there's so many design possibilities with them. We're going to add on that other green bead, and then we'll just complete our pattern until we have the desired length for our neck. So we have our necklace. We're just going to use 2 6 millimeter jump rings, or lobster claw, or a clasp of your choice, and then 2 2x2s. So I had my pattern here, and then I just kind of went more into the pinks and finished with the greens just to give it a lighter weight on the necklace. So we're going to use our pliers. We're going to slide on one of our 2x2s, slide on a jump ring, and we're just going to loop back through our 2x2. I'm going to give it a little bit of space so it doesn't create tension and cause it to break. We're just going to give it a smash, and then we're going to rotate, and this gives it a more professional finish. And depending on the bead, sometimes it will go right over your little tail. This one won't, so we'll just go ahead and trim. We're going to do the same thing on the other side and just put on our 2x2 and a jump ring. And then we're just going to pass back through. So we have our necklace. We're almost finished. And just pick a side you'd like to add your clasp onto. And we're just going to open back up our jump ring and slide on the clasp and give it a close. And we have our beautiful necklace. This is so sparkly. Trend with these Czech glass flowers. I don't know if any of you watched the Great Bead Extravaganza presentation. It was a couple weeks ago, and they had a trend report. And it was gold. Gold was the color that was in right now. And then the flowers were very trending as well as for spring and summer. It's a perfect statement necklace and it fits right on trend. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other content and tutorials. Have a wonderful day.